Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. The .com secret funnel is well known among ClickFunnels users. This funnel uses some custom features. We have shown some of them in our previous videos already. In today's video, this is about another such custom features. When you visit .com secret funnel, you will initially see a pop-up containing links to where you can purchase ebook. Dismiss this pop-up and click any button on the page. You will see another new pop-up open with a two-step checkout form. This is called multi-step pop-up, and in today's video we will show you how to create it. Since this is not a default feature, we will need to write custom code for it. First, we will go to the page editor. To save time, we have already created a default pop-up and designed the secondary pop-up as a section within the page. The code is already in the form of an add-on, so just copy the entire code and paste it inside settings, tracking code, footer tracking code. Now we have to change the data title values of the section that will be displayed in the pop-up. As well as we have to update the click event for the button, so that from the settings of the button, set action, and we have to update the click event. Now save the page and preview it. You will see that our default pop-up has automatically appeared. Now dismiss it. Now when you click the button, the section we created will also open in the pop-up. In this way, we can add more pop-ups to our ClickFunnels funnels if desired. If you found this video helpful, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.